Hey kids, welcome back to Science Fun with your channel name. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of gases. Have you ever wondered why a balloon floats or how we breathe? Well, it's all about gases. Let's explore together. Gases are one of the three main states of matter. Imagine them as tiny, invisible balls bouncing around everywhere. In a gas, the particles zoom around in all directions. Gases don't have a fixed shape or volume. They fill up whatever space they're in. Imagine blowing up a balloon. The gas inside spreads out to fill the whole balloon. Gas particles move quickly and bump into each other, and the walls of their container. This is why a balloon can pop if you put too much air in it. You can squeeze gases into a smaller space. That's what happens when you pump air into a tire. The air gets compressed and makes the tire firm. Gases will spread out to fill any container they're in. If you spray some perfume in a room, the scent spreads everywhere because the gas particles are moving around and filling the space. Now let's do a fun experiment. You can try this at home with an adult's help. All you need is a balloon and a bottle of soda. First, carefully open the soda and quickly place the balloon over the top. Watch what happens. Wow, the balloon is inflating. But why? The soda has a gas called carbon dioxide. When you open the bottle, the gas escapes and fills the balloon. Cool, right? Another important gas is the one we breathe. Oxygen. Plants make oxygen through a process called photosynthesis, and we need it to survive. Remember, gases are all around us, even if we can't see them. They play a big role in our everyday lives, from helping us breathe to making our balloons float. So the next time you blow up a balloon or take a deep breath, you'll know a little more about the amazing world of gases. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun science videos. Bye.